guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new to my channel, hi there, my name is Virginie. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so down below. And today I have a exciting Diwali party makeup look. Also subscribe to my channel and leave me a comment down below. So stay tuned and keep on watching. So if you want to know how to achieve this, then please keep on watching, and at the end don't forget to give me a thumbs up on this video. And I'm going to begin by doing my eyebrows using this Revolution eyebrow pen. As usual, my skin is moisturized using my regular Pond's moisturizer. And now I'm going to clean up my eyebrows using my Tarte Shape Tape concealer. To prime my face, so I'm just using my Rimmel London Fix and Perfect primer just to prime my face. Now I'm going to conceal my eyes, so I'm using the same Tarte Shape Tape concealer in medium, and I'm just going to apply all over my eyelid. And I'm just blending it out using the same brush. This concealer is really creamy, so it kind of like covers the entire eyelid and gives it like a perfect white sort of canvas, so then you can like apply really beautiful colors, and it just helps it to pop out really nicely. So now I'm just going to take my regular powder and I'm just going to set it using the Rimmel London powder in the shade Translucent. So I'm going to use my all-time favorite, the Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm going to take this shade here. It's a yellowish orangish sort of color, and I'm going to use that as my transition color. So my eyelids are looking all nice, bright and yellowish. So now I'm going to take the next shade, which is this brownish sort of yellowish kind of shade here, and I'm going to pop that right on the outer corner of my eyes just to make it a bit darker. So I'm using these Primark brushes, and they're quite affordable, and I actually like them. They're easier to use, and I think if you're like a beginner, then these are perfect brushes for you to like use and explore and just get, you know, actually using good brushes to do your eyes and to do your eyeshadows basically. So I'm just slightly bringing in this to give it a sort of dimension. So now I'm slightly bringing them in and working my way in to get a really nice blended look. Now in the inner corners, I'm going to be using from my Revolution Imagination palette, I'm going to be using this greenish sort of shade here. It's really shimmery, and it's got a light tint of green. So I'm going to pop that right I'm using this flat brush and I'm taking that same color and I'm going to pop that right in the inner corners. I really like how they're looking now, and now I'm going to make the corners a bit more darker. So for that I will be using this shade here. So I'm gonna take a tiny bit and I'm gonna pop it right in the outer corners here. And I'm bringing in to blend in with the shimmery shade that I use. Now I've kind of blended out the harsh line of the shimmery shade I used, and it's looking all nicely blended. I'm going to take the same green shimmery shade and I'm going to pop it right in the middle here. And I like how they're looking so far. Next, I'm going to do my eyeliner using my Maybelline New York eyeliner pencil pen. So I've done my eyeliner off camera, and now I'm going to go ahead and do my I'm going to color correct my hyperpigmentation around my mouth. I'm going to blend this all out. Now while that's sitting, I'm going to go ahead and do my mascara. So I'm using the Rimmel London Scandaleyes Reloaded mascara, and I need to curl my lashes. So if you're someone like me who struggles to put on fake eyelashes, then what you can do is just wear tons and tons of mascara, and that will do you good. If you do your mascara before you do your foundation, it's just easier, because if you get it on your face or under your eyes, then you can always clean it up and then do your foundation. But if you get it on top of your foundation, that just ruins the whole look and it's harder to clean afterwards. So I'm gonna let that dry and I'm gonna go ahead and do my foundation. So I'm using my regular MAC Studio Fix Fluid foundation. So my shade is NC42, and I'm gonna be using my Morphe Y6 brush to blend in my foundation. Sort of dabbing it, and my brush is a little damp, so it just helps the application more. So this gives me good amount of coverage. Now I'm gonna be using my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the shade medium, and I'm gonna apply all over under my eyes. I think I'm applying more because I want my under eyes to look more brighter than usual. I'm just going to blend out using a damp beauty blender. Using this NYX highlight wonder so I'm using this NYX highlight and contour stick. So I'm using the deeper color, so the deep brown, just to contour my face. I'm using this brush just to like blend it out. Just gonna use my fingers to blend out on my nose. So now I'm gonna use my LA Girl Pro powder in the shade Banana to set my face, my concealer. Now I'm just gonna brush it all out. To bronze my face, I'm using this Rimmel Stay Matte powder in the shade Sun Glow. Using my Revolution blush palette. This is such a beautiful palette, and I'm going to use this shade here. Highlight, I'm gonna be using this Revolution Makeup Obsession Makeup London's liquid illuminator. It's just a light rose gold sort of color. I use this, so I'm just trying it out. So I'm gonna like quickly blend it out. I think that's beautiful. I'm gonna apply a little bit more. Applying some on my nose quickly, like a tiny bit, and just quickly blending it out before it dries. So on my lips, I'm using this L'Oreal Paris red lipstick. It's a beautiful bright red color, and I'm gonna like, that is bright. The brush, and I'm gonna blend it all out.
That's pretty.
To top that up, I'm using this matte liquid lipstick by Huda Beauty in the shade Girlfriend. And I'm just gonna apply on top. So that's my lips done. Gonna spray my face now. Setting spray. I'm using this Mist and Fix setting spray by Barry M. And I'm gonna take this shade here called Angel and pop that right in my inner corners. So guys, I'm just gonna finish off my eyes. So I'm gonna layer more mascara on my lower lashes and then upper lashes as well. So guys, that's my makeup done. Now I'm gonna go off camera and wear my jewelries and then come back and show you guys my final look. So please stay tuned, I'll be right back. It's my final look. I am wearing a tikka, a green bindi and some beautiful earrings to go with it, and I am wearing a green dress which I'll show you guys in a bit. And so guys, if you enjoyed this video, then don't forget to give me a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel as well, and leave me a comment down below, and I shall see you in my next video. Bye.